Hello, football lovers. I greet you all. If it's your first time here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you're notified next time I drop the video. So please like. So when data updated you today is that my heart has always been here. Thabo Cele on setting at Chiefs. Cele has explained his monthly aggression at the club since his January transfer window move. Reliving that, my heart has always been here. I have to say, it is also that environment, said Thabo. The people I found here at Kaizer Chiefs, the teammates and the technical team, and also my heart, have always been here. I have been working for my own individual dreams, but at the same time, I think it is something that was always to happen for me to come here. And I feel good that I am here. I'm here to try and help the team so that we can achieve our objective as a team. So, if you are new here on this channel, Injection Football TV, make sure you don't leave without hitting subscribe button and the notification so you're notified next time I drop the video. And please rewrite your thoughts on the comment section.